Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth reviews that help you make smarter shopping decisions. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best electric toothbrush rechargeable with multiple modes on the market. The TEETHEORY Sonic Electric Toothbrush. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it packs a punch with features that promise to upgrade your dental hygiene routine without breaking the bank. Let's get straight into it. This TEETHEORY toothbrush is equipped with a 40,000 vibrations per minute sonic motor. That's right, 40,000. This kind of performance rivals premium brands but at a fraction of the price. The result? It removes up to 100% more plaque than a manual toothbrush and provides a 10x deeper clean. If you've ever struggled with reaching those tricky areas behind your molars or along the gum line, this brush takes care of that with surgical precision. Now, let's talk about accessories. When you unbox this toothbrush, you're getting more than just a motorized handle. TEETHEORY includes 8 DuPont brush heads. Yes, 8, designed in a W shape to contour perfectly to your teeth and gums. These are meant to last you 2 full years, which means no extra trips to the store or random Amazon orders just to keep brushing. There's even a bristle fading reminder so you'll know exactly when it's time to replace. Travelers, this one's for you. It weighs just 55 grams and comes with a sleek travel case that fits easily into your bag or carry-on. The best part? It has an insane battery life. One full charge via USB gives you 30 days of use. That's brushing twice a day, 2 minutes each time, without touching the charger for an entire month. You could literally go on vacation and not even think about recharging. Now let's go over the 5 cleaning modes. Whitening mode tackles stains and brightens your smile with maximum power. Clean mode digs deep into the gum line and interdentals. Sensitive mode tones things down if you've got tender gums. Polish mode gives you that extra shine, and massage mode gently stimulates your gums to boost circulation and overall health. Switching between them is super easy and intuitive. And here's where TEETHEORY gets really smart. It has a built-in smart timer. Every 30 seconds, the brush pauses briefly to tell you it's time to move to another quadrant of your mouth. After 2 minutes, it turns off automatically, making sure you brush the dentist recommended amount of time, every single time. You get 1 electric toothbrush handle, 6 brush heads, 1 tongue scraper, 1 interdental brush, the travel case, a toothbrush holder, a protective bristle cover, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual. That's an all-in-one oral care kit designed for convenience, performance, and hygiene. If you're looking for a high-performance, no-nonsense electric toothbrush with premium features, great design, and unbeatable value, the TEETHEORY Sonic Electric Toothbrush should be at the top of your list. It's ideal for daily use, travel, and even as a thoughtful gift. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss out on our next product critique. See you next time.